Rising from the asphalt of Highway 1117, you are looking at one of the most beautiful and geopolitically sensitive stretches of concrete in North America. This is the Nipigon River Bridge. Completed in 2018, this $106 million marvel is Ontario's very first cable-stayed bridge. But it is much more than an engineering showcase. It is Canada's ultimate bottleneck. Because right here, the two main routes of the Trans-Canada Highway merge into a single point. If this bridge fails, Canada is quite literally cut in half. No trucks, no cars, no cross-country trade. To get from eastern to western Canada by road, your only detour is to drive down into the United States. And on January 10, 2016, the unthinkable happened. Just 42 days after the westbound span first opened to traffic, a fierce winter storm hit. But instead of collapsing downward like most bridge failures, the Nipigon Bridge did something bizarre. It lifted up. Due to a combination of design flaws, flexible shoe plates, and improperly tightened bolts, the massive structure suffered a progressive failure. 40 steel bolts snapped, causing the bridge deck to lift a jaw-dropping 60 centimeters, nearly 2 feet, into the air. For 17 agonizing hours, the national highway system was severed, freezing an estimated $100 million worth of daily cargo. Engineers rushed to the scene and temporarily stabilized the bridge by piling 200 metric tons of concrete barriers onto the deck just to weigh it down, eventually installing a multi-million-dollar permanent retrofit. But the drama of this river crossing isn't just limited to the asphalt. As we look over, you will notice the Canadian Pacific Railway line running right alongside it. This rail corridor has its own legendary history. Because of how vital this crossing is to Canada's supply lines, it has been a target for over a century. Back in March 1915, during the height of World War I, two German spies, Carl Schmidt and Gustav Stevens, disembarked a train right here in Nipigon. They were acting as part of a German loyalist outfit intent on dismantling Allied infrastructure. They began meticulously surveying the rail bridge, drawing the suspicion of sharp-eyed locals. The police were called, and the men were intercepted on a departing train. In their pockets were loaded revolvers, American cash, and a live bomb fuse. They were caught red-handed in a plot to dynamite the bridge. The threat was so real that during World War II, armed military sentries were posted on this very rail bridge to guard against enemy sabotage. Today, whether it is the roar of a freight train or the smooth flow of transport trucks over the cables, this crossing stands as a testament to resilience. It is a stunning piece of modern engineering, a vital economic artery, and a bridge that, quite literally, keeps a nation tied together. Thank you for watching this journey through Northern Ontario history. If you enjoyed this aerial view and the stories behind it, please hit that like and subscribe. Your support helps bring more of these hidden landscapes and histories to light. Safe travels, and we will see you on the next exploration.